ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। बाल्यादिष्वपि जाग्रदादिषु तथा सर्वास्वस्थास्वपि व्यावृत्तास्वनुवर्तमानमहमित्यन्तःस्फुरन्तं सदा स्वात्मानं प्रकटीकरोति भजतां यो मुद्रया भद्रया। तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये। आत्मा is anuvritta, kutastha chaitanya, and all other ideas of myself, they are vyavritta. Other ideas, they come and go. I, the kutastha chaitanya, sakshi, ever remains. This is the main idea. In this, now we saw the appearance of silver in shell, the Akhyativada of Prabhakara, that it is not an illusion, that was refuted. Then Anyatha Khyātivada of Nyaya Vaisheshika, in that one aspect was refuted, that there has to be similarity, sadrishyam. So it was said, sadrishya, similarity, and vibhrama, there is no vyapya vyapaka sambandha between them. Now, dvitiyam anyatha khyatimatam dushayati. On 135 page, Vartika number 25, Tika. Dvitiyam anyatha khyatimatam dushayati. The second anyatha khyatimata, it is being refuted now. Tadatmyena sphurati ched rajatatvena shuktika drajatatvena shuktika vibhramo niradhishthano बाधो निरवधिर्भवेत्। तादात्म्येन स्फुरति चेत् तादात्म्येन शुक्तिका रजतत्वेन स्फुरति चेत्. Due to tadatmya sambandha, if shuktika is appearing as rajata, then tadatmya means shuktika alone is appearing as rajata. If you accept that, then niradhishthano vibhramo niravadhihi badho bhavet. Without adhisthana, a vibhrama, and without a substratum, without a final termination, badha, this situation will take place. So, if Shukti is the support for Rajata Bhranti. Shukti Rajatayoho Tadatmyam Chet Vibhrama Alambanam Tada Ubhayoho Adhyastatvat Mithyatve Sati. Ubhayoho Mithyatva means if you say that Shuktika is having support of Rajata and Rajata is having support of Shuktika, then both will be Mithya. Ubhayoho adhyastatvat, because both are superimposed, then Satyasya vastuno anyasya abhavat. None of these will be Satya. Both will be Mithya. Shunyavada apata prasanga. Then what will happen? Shunyavada patti will take place. We will culminate in Shunyavada. Then another example is given. Keshondrakadi vibhramanam api दृश्यमान आलोक अधिष्ठान कत्वस्य अन्यत्र निरूपितत्वात्. Keshondraka means Kesha means hair. Like when they are put in a circular fashion. So sometimes when you close your eyes and then suddenly you open, you see some such rings in front of your eyes. There is light also, and in that light you see this kind of rings. I don't know if you have experienced such things. That is called Keshondraka. Keshondrakadi vibhramanam. Even when such vibram takes place, it is drishyamana aloka adhishthanakatvasya anya nirupitatvat. So it is appearing because there is light. In light that Keshondraka appears. So that also has adhishthana. In other words, what Acharya wants to say is that without adhishthana, this appearance is not possible. If any appearance is possible, then it has to be with a substratum, an adhishthanam. Without adhisthana, no appearance is possible. Na niradhisthana vibhrame niravadhi badheva. And another is niravadhi badha. That you go on negating what is superimposed and then you end up with shunyam, nothing. There is no limit to badha. Niravadhi badha means without avadhi you go on doing badha. So it is such udaharanam nasti. There is no such example. Udaharanam asti iti nayam. Udaharanam asti means na udaharanam asti. Niradhisthana vibhrame niravadhi badheva udaharanam na asti iti nayam shunyavadino api ishta prasanga iti. So we will not end up in something which is dear to shunyavada. Means we will not end up in shunyavada prasanga. Iti asatkhyaติ api anena nirakrita iti veditavya. By this asatkhyaति is also refuted. Anena asatkhyaति api nirakritya. So akhyātivāda of Prabhakar was refuted. Then anyatha khyati of Nyaya was refuted in two ways, and with this asatkhyaति of Shunyavada is also refuted. Now what is remaining is Atmakhyati of Kshanika Vijnanavada. Yesterday I gave you this shloka. So in that Atmakhyati is remaining. Idanim Atmakhyati Paksham Nirakaroti. Now Atmakhyati is being refuted. Buddhisthitam ched रजतं बाह्यत्वेन प्रतीयते गुञ्जादौ ज्वलनारोपे देहदाहः प्रसज्यते। बुद्धिस्थितं रजतं चेत. If somebody says, according to Kshanik Vijnanavad, what is there in buddhi alone is appearing outside. If rajatam actually is there in buddhi and is appearing outside, buddhisthitam rajatam bahyattvena pratiyate chet, if you say that buddhisthita rajata alone is appearing outside, then गुंजादौ ज्वलनारोपे देहदाह प्रसज्यते. If there is a, it is like saying that gunjadi, you know, gunja is a fruit. Fruit means it is like a seed. It is red in color with a black dot on it. It is a small thing. It is very shining red. So what happens is, this is a famous example. In cold weather, human beings, you know, they set up fire and they sit around it. And fire looks red. And sometimes when the sparks come to the black thing, because of the wood, firewood, etc., the black thing also is there in the fire. It just appears spark. So it is red in color and some black tinges are there here and there. So when monkeys see that human beings are sitting around fire and they are able to sit there in cold weather also, so they understand, oh, this fire is removing the cold, this redness. And they see this gunja seed which is red in color. So they gather such red seeds. And then they think these gunja seeds are removing their cold. So they will sit there with their hands and all, thinking that they are getting the warmth. What is happening is, Jwalana Aropa is done in Gunjadi. Gunjadau Jwalana Arope Dehadaha Prasajyate. Dehadaha. Here Acharya says, if you superimpose the fire on Gunja, then you will superimpose the idea that, oh, I am getting burnt out of the fire which is there in Gunja. There is no fire in Gunja. Means this is the kind of superimposition that Kshanik Vijnanvada is talking about. What they are saying is that what is there in buddhi is appearing outside. In the same way, the fire idea is in my mind. Gunjadi, which are outside, there is no fire. There is no fire there. But if somebody out of error superimposes that what is inside is actually outside, what is in buddhi, they superimpose, then it is just like thinking like a monkey, that this dehadaha is there. Actually it is not there. So this is called Atmakyativada. Sometimes people say, you Vedanta also says that what is inside is appearing outside, etc. Like in this earlier also I told you, the first shloka is Pashyannatmani Mayaya Bahirivodbhutam yatha nidraya. In nidra, in sleep also, what is inside is appearing outside, all the vasanas. And in the same way, in Jagrat also, the what is inside the Atma is as if appearing outside. But there, what we are trying to say is that it is not staying in buddhi. In swapna, the samskaras are appearing. They say in Kshanik Vijnanavad also that the samskaras are alone appearing in swapna. In the same way it is in Jagrat. But we say in swapna, Jagrat, Sushupti, there is one Kutastha Adhishthanam that they don't accept. They don't say there is anything changeless. And we say the whole superimposition is on that Kutastha Atma, which is different from their thinking. यदि क्वचित कथंचित सद्रजतम न भासते अत्यंत असदपि न भासते चेत किमिदम अलौकिकम किंचिदुच्यते. If you say that some sat rajat, that which is there in the shop, etc., that silver is not appearing here. That silver which is there in the wife's hands, that is not appearing in front. So it is sat, but it is not appearing here. And atyanta asat, like the narashrunga or shashashrunga, shashavishana, that is also not appearing. Atyanta asat is also not appearing. Sat is also not appearing. Chet kim idam alaukikam kinchid uchyate. Then what is this alaukika? Alaukika means that which is beyond this laukika world. Buddhi anarudham eva shuktau rajatam iti evam iti ashankya. That which is buddhi anarudham eva, which is not arudha in buddhi, means it is not there in buddhi. Shuktau rajatam iti evam iti ashankya. So that which is not recognized by buddhi, not understood by buddhi, that silver in shell, shuktau rajatam iti evam iti ashankya, kenapi rupena rupavatve प्रामाणिकत्वेन ज्ञान अपनोद्यत्व असंभवात्. केनापि रूपेण, by any form, रूपवत्वे प्रामाणिकत्वेन, if it was in any way pramanika, an actual thing proved by the valid means of knowledge, pramanika, then its negation with knowledge would not be possible. Jnana apanodyatva asambhavat. Apanoda means to remove, to eliminate. Rajata jnanasya bhrantitva prasiddhi anupapattihi syat. Then Rajata jnana, which is very well accepted as Bhranti, Rajata Jnanasya Bhrantitva Prasiddhi, this would become Anupapanna. Anupapanna means this would be falsified. Means even common man accepts that the silver appearing in shell due to the chakachikya, the shining, etc., that silver is false. It is not there. And all these darshanikas, they give different explanation, but they don't accept that it is an illusion. It is only an appearance. Somebody says, no, the Hattastha Rajata Smriti is there. Somebody says, no, the mix-up between the recollection and this thought is happening. all this and somebody says buddhistha rajata is appearing outside, Shukti is right there. In Shukti, Rajata Bhranti is taking place. This Bhrantitva Prasiddhi Anupapatti Syat iti abhipretyaha. Keeping this in mind, now it is said, Yuktihina Prakashatvat Bhranter Nahyasti Lakshanam Yadisyal Lakshanam Kinchit भ्रांतिरेव न सिद्ध्यति युक्तिहीन प्रकाशत्वात् युक्तिहीन प्रकाशत्वात् भ्रांतेः लक्षणं ही न अस्ति. Bhranti is not recognized through yukti. So that's why it is called yukti hina prakasha. Its cognition is without any logic. And therefore it does not have any lakshanam. What is the lakshana of Bhranti? So there is no specific lakshana. Yadi syat, if you accept that there is some such lakshanam, then it will not be Bhranti, then it will become a real thing. Bhranti eva na siddhyati. Yadi kinchit lakshanam syat. If some lakshana would be there, Bhranti would not be siddha. In other words, Bhranti is something which is anirvachaniya. If you do its nirvachanam, its lakshanam, then it will not be Bhranti. It will be a real thing. So, like in Adhyasa Bhashya and all, the nirvachanam is done in the form of atasmis tad buddhi. Tasmin atasmin tad buddhi. That which is not that, in that, the idea that it is that. So, in arajata, idea of rajata. This is its lakshana. Which, why it is happening, you can't explain. So that is why it is said yukti hina prakasha. It is a cognition where the logic fails. Like in the mirage water, in the desert sand, you see mirage water. And that too, it happens only during the day. At night you don't see water. At night you just see land, means sand. But at daytime, because of the sun rays, you see water. That is yukti hina. You can't explain why, but it happens. दृष्टान्ते मायामयत्वम उपपाद्य दार्ष्टान्तिकेपि मायामयत्वम सिद्धम अनेन दृष्टान्तांतर अनुवादेन उपसंहरति. So in drishtanta of Shukti Rajata, the Mayatvam is Upapadya, having established that it is because of Maya only. In Darshtantika also, Darshtantika means in Brahma, Maya Mayatvam Siddham Anena Drishtantantara Anuvadena. With other examples also, the Mayamayatva in the Darshtantika is explained and it is being concluded now, this topic. Upasamharati. Upasamhara means conclusion. Jalachandravade kasmin nirbhaye rajju sarpavat pratiyate yatha swarne कारणे कटकादिवत् जलचं प्रतीयते यथा स्वर्णे जलचंद्रवद एकस्मिन् निर्भये. So jalachandravat means in the collection of water in pots which are many, ekasmin chandra, one's chandrama appearing as many in the jala, in the water pots. So this is the example of one appearing as many due to Maya, Upadhi. Nirbhaye Rajju Sarpavat. In fearless, there where I have to be fearless in that Rajju, there is fearful Sarpa appearing. This is another aspect of Bhranti. So in one appearing as many, in Nirbhaya appearing as Sabhaya. यथा स्वर्णे कारणे कटकादिवत प्रतीयते. प्रतीयते will go with all the three. यथा प्रतीयते will go with all three. So यथा एकस्मिन् जलचंद्रवत प्रतीयते, यथा निर्भये रज्जु सर्पवत प्रतीयते, यथा स्वर्णे कारणे कटकादिवत प्रतीयते. So in third example, the Karana, see, Swarna means Suvarna, gold is the Karana, and Kataka means the bangle. Kataka is the Abhushana. So Abhushana will be what? Karya. Swarna is Karana, Abhushana is Karya. Correct? Yes. Now, this Abhushana Karya is actually not there. Effect is really not there at all, because there is no Abhushana, it is only gold. Gold alone is there, Abhushana is not there. And yet, we think that gold is the cause, the ornament is the effect. So really that which is not the cause takes the idea of cause, and that which is not there as effect appears as effect. Like that, Brahma is really not the cause, because the effect called world, Jagat, is not there, but it appears like that. This is the inexplicable part, anirvachaniya part. See in Tika. Ekasmin chandre jalopadhi bhedad yatha anekatvam evam. So one moon appearing in many jala upadhi due to the bheda in jala upadhi, yatha anekatvam appears as many. Evam ekasmin chidananda advaya atmani. In that one Chidananda Advaya Atma, Dehopadhi Bhedat Anekatvam, because of the Deha Upadhi Bheda, the manyness, idea of manyness, avabhasate. Ityadi drashtantartho vivakshitaha. Here, this is the meaning intended in the drishtanta. Then in the second drishtanta, Nirbhaye Bhaya Hetutva Rahite, that which is Nirbhaya, Bhaya Hetu Rahita, Chidatmani Rajju Sarpavat Samsara Bhaya Avabhasa. So in Bhaya Hetu Rahita Chidatma, the Samsara Bhaya, that I am afraid of the Samsara, that I don't know what will happen, or I am miserable. Samsara Bhaya means I am uncertain about future, etc. It is like I am afraid of the Rajju Sarpa, which is not there. This is Dvitiya Drashtantartha. Ekasmin Anekatvam Pratiyate Nirbhaye Bhayam Pratiyate iti cha yojana. This is how you have to set. Ekasmin Ekatvam. एकस्मिन् अनेकत्वं निर्भये भयं प्रतीयते. कार्यकारणवादं लोकप्रसिद्धम् आश्रित्य, and then the कार्यकारणवाद which is लोकप्रसिद्ध, taking the ashraya of that, कारणात् अन्यत् कार्यं नास्ति इति अत्र दृष्टान्तम् आह. So other than the karana, really speaking, there is no karyam. In karya karana of gold and ornament, really speaking, there is no ornament. It is only gold appearing in a particular form. कार्यम नास्ति इति अत्र दृष्टान्तमाह यथा स्वर्णम इति. कटकादिवत् इति स्वार्थे कः. So kataka is given, actually it is kata only. Kataka is the swarthe ka pratyaya, means without changing the meaning, that ka is added. Like balaha is balakaha. So bala eva balakaha, swarthe ka pratyaya. And vati pratyaya kataka asatyatvartha. The vati, kataka the vat. So that vat is there. Vat means similar. Tena tulyam. That is the meaning conveyed there. The तेन तुल्यम क्रिया चेद्वति ही. दैट इज द सूत्र नंबर 51115. 5 5th chapter प्रथम पाद 115. So kataka, which is actually asat, in that the Bhranti that it is there, this kind of notion, and because of that Swarna will become Karanam. So this is what is happening in Brahma also. Actually it is not Karanam, but we give the idea that it is Karanam. Now further 4 examples are given to show that this world is appearing in Brahma, in Atma, in me. The whole samsara is appearing in me. Idanim shruti yuktibhyam niranitam vivartavadam ashritya adhishthanat pruthak sattvam na drishyasya asti. With the help of shruti and yukti, what is being concluded, that vivartavadam ashritya, other than the adhisthana, there is no drishya vastu. Adhishthanat pruthak sattvam na drishyasya. Drishya does not have separate reality different from adhisthana. Kintu adhisthane Bhranti siddham jagat iti atra drishtanta dvayamaha. But in the adhisthana, this Bhranti siddham jagat which is Bhranti siddham in adhisthana, for that the drishtantas are given. Drishtanta dvayam, actually drishtanta chatushtayam, 4 examples are given. Upatte rupyavachuktau vyapte yakshapuri vakhe rashmyambuvat sfuradrupe स्थाणौ चोरवदक्रिये असत्कल्पमिदं विश्व मात्मन्यारोप्यते भ्रमात्. वत्सुरद्रूपे स्थाणौ चोरवदक्रिये असत्कल्पमिदं विश्वमात्मन्यारोप्यते भ्रमात्. Upatte Rupyavat Shuktau. Upatta means Swayam Siddha. In the Swayam Siddha Shukti, Rupyavat, which is Asiddha Vastu, that Rupya appears, silver. Vyapte Khe, in the all pervading space, Yakshapuri Iva, the Gandharva Nagara, appears. Rashmi Ambuvat Sfuradrupe. Sfuradrupe Chaitanya, which is like Rashmi Ambu. So in the shining sun rays, the Jala, Ambu, water is appearing. And Akriye, in the actionless, Thanau, Choravat, like a thief. So the beauty of these shlokas is Upatte is for Shukti. Shukti is Swayam Siddha. Vyapta is Khe, Vyapte Khe, that which is pervading, all pervading. Sfuradrupe Rashmi. Rashmi is that which is the rays of sun, which is shining. And Sthanu is actionless. The post is actionless. But these four adjectives, Upatte, Vyapte, Sfuradrupe, Akriye, they all will go for Atma also. Because they all are also indicating Atma. The Swata Siddha, all pervading, shining, or of the form of brilliance and actionless, Atmani. Atmani is there in the next line. Atmani asat kalpam idam vishwam brahmat aropyate. In such Atma, the asat kalpam means asat tulyam vishwam, the world which is like asat, brahmat aropyate, out of illusion it is superimposed. Tika. Shuktau Rupyavat, in just as in Shukti the Rupya, Upatte Swayameva Siddhe, in the Upatta means Swayam Siddha, Swayam Siddhe, Chidatmani, Idam Vishwam Asat Kalpam iti Anvaya. This world is Asat Kalpam, like Asat, illusory, in Chidatma, which is Swayam Siddha. In this way you have to do Anvaya. Vyapte Aparichinne Kutasthe Chidatmani. In the Vyapta, all pervading, Aparichinne Kutasthe Chidatmani. In the Aparichinna Kutastha Chidatma, Khe, like in space, Yakshapuri Iva Gandharva Nagaram Iva Vishwamiti. The world is like Gandharva Nagaram. Tathaiva sarvatra anvayah asat kalpam iti. In the same way, asat kalpam you should put everywhere. So Rupya is asat kalpam, Yakshapuri is asat kalpa, Rashmi Ambu is asat kalpa, and Chora is also asat kalpa. And you see Rupya Vat, so Vat is there. Yakshapuri Iva is there. Rashmi Ambu Vat is there, Vat. And Sthano Chora Vat, so Vat is there like. So they all are examples. Asat kalpam. So there are, the Adhisthana is also given in all four examples. Adhyastha is also given in all four examples. Swayam prakashataya sfuradrupe chidatmani rashmi ambuvat maru marichi shu udaka vibhramavat. Maru marichi shu. In the Maru Marichika, Udaka Vibhrama, the illusion of the water, Udaka Vibhramavat, Akriye Nirvyapare, in the actionless Chaitanya, Chidatmani, Vyaparavatva Adhyasa, the superimposition that actually it is doing some action. Sthanau Choratva Adhyasavat ityartha, like in the post, the idea that this is a thief. Brahmat mithyagnyanat aropyate vyavahriyate ityartha. So due to mithya jnana, this Brahma, mithya jnana means mithya ajnana, or you can just say mithya jnana, false idea, this superimposition takes place. In this way, vyavahara takes place. So in I alone, this whole world is there in Shuddha Chaitanya. But I forget, I take myself as ahankara, and I think the world is outside, different from me. In this way, vyavahara takes place. तथा च जीव भेदस्य बाह्य प्रपंचस्य अविद्या मात्रत्वात्, जीव भेद and bahya prapancha both are avidya matra. Vidya tad bade, because of knowledge their bada takes place. Advaita ananda brahma rupa atma avabhasate iti upasamharati. Advaita ananda brahma rupa atma avabhasate. So the non-dual atma is shining here. Iti upasamharati, it is being concluded here. Swayam prakasham sadrupam, swayam prakasham sadrupam, भ्रांति बाध विवर्जितम, भ्रांति बाध विवर्जितम, प्रत्यभिज्ञायते वस्तु, प्रत्यभिज्ञायते वस्तु, प्राग्वन्मोहे व्यपोहिते. स्वयं प्रकाशं सद्रूपं भ्रांतिबाध विवर्जितं, प्रत्यभिज्ञायते वस्तु प्राग्वन्मोहे व्यपोहिते. स्वयं प्रकाशं सद्रूपं वस्तु, the स्वयं प्रकाश, self luminous existence of the nature of existence. Bhranti badha vivarjitam, that which is devoid of any bhranti, superimposition, illusion or badha. Bhranti badha vivarjitam vastu pratyabhignayate, when pragvat mohe vyapohite, like how earlier there was moha, then mohe vyapohite pragvat pratyabhignayate, how it was earlier supposed to be, in that way it is experienced. So Swayam Prakasha Chaitanya Vastu is recognized really the way it is, as is, without any error. स्वयं प्रकाशमिति भ्रांति बाध विवर्जितम अनागमापाय धर्मकम इत्यर्थः. भ्रांति बाध विवर्जितम मीन्स दैट विच डज नॉट हैव आगम और अपाय. अनागम, अपाय, so no arrival and departure. Vastu, vastu means paramartham. Mohe vyapohite, when the moha is eliminated. Then tattva jnanena ajnane badhite sati. Mohe vyapohite means when the ajnanam is negated by tattva jnanam. प्रागवत यथा अवस्थित स्वरूपम प्रत्यभिज्ञायते साक्षात क्रियते इति योजना. How it was before means how it was supposed to be, that is how I recognize. So how it was before means that it was only reality, existence. In that whatever I had superimposed, that superimposition part is negated. So Chaitanya is appearing as Chaitanya. The Atma is to be recognized as Atma. Atma, Brahma alone is everything. Karana avidya badhat karya badhe sati Atma tattva Brahma swarupa avabhasa pratibandha abhavat. When the cause ignorance, the causal ignorance, the fundamental ignorance is negated, then effects are also negated. Karya badha takes place. Then Atma Swarupa, Atma Tattva Brahma Swarupa is recognized. Why? Pratibandha abhavat, because Pratibandha is now negated. So I recognize I am Brahma. प्रतिबंधभावात् तद आत्मा एव ईश्वरत्व उपलक्षितं ब्रह्म भवति. आत्मा अहम itself is the ईश्वर उपलक्षित ब्रह्म. Brahma which is recognized by the idea that it is Ishvara, Saguna Brahma. Actually it is Nirguna Brahma, which is my own self. भवति इत्याह. देहाद्युपाधौ निर्धूते स्यादात्मैव महेश्वरः. देहाद्युपाधौ निर्धूते स्यादात्मैव महेश्वरः. देहादि उपाधौ निर्धूते. When the dehadi upadhi, deha indriya prana mano buddhi, they are all negated, then atma eva ishvara syat. Atma alone is recognized as Ishvara. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.